Hey there, tech fans. Today I have the brand new Orei UHD-FO10 LAR-K fiber optic HDMI extension kit. This product provides an incredibly easy way for you to share all of your HDMI media content from one location with a second remote location up to 10 kilometers away over a single fiber optic cable. The kit fully supports 4K ultra high definition media content at up to 60 frames per second, and it's both HDMI 2.0B as well as HDCP 2.2 compliant, which means it's plug and play compatible with a wide universe of modern media equipment. The transmitter features local loopback functionality, which allows you to enjoy the content at the primary location while you're simultaneously sharing it with your remote location. It also provides LAN extension capabilities, so you can connect the transmitter to your local area network and extend that connection to your remote site where you can connect a computer to access that same network. Finally, the product also provides both audio injection and audio extraction capabilities. So with audio injection, you can add audio to the media content you're sending to the remote location. And the product also can separate the audio from that media stream and allows you to pass it along through one of the ports on the rear to a soundbar, home stereo, or amplifier for that full theater experience. Now, as part of this overview, I'd like to start with a quick unboxing first, just to show you everything that's included with the kit. And then I'll take a closer look at the transmitter and the receiver modules, and I'll explain the connections and indicators so you understand how to use the product. And then I'll come back one more time and point out some of the special features that this product provides. So let's get started with the unboxing. When you first pop open the box, you'll find a transmitter module and a receiver module. You'll find two 12-volt 1-amp DC power supplies. You can simply plug this into any standard wall outlet. The other end of the cable has a barrel connection on it with a locking collar, which plugs directly into the back of the module and provides all the power you'll need for operation. This system also transfers RS-232 control signals, and you'll find two Molex connectors included that makes connecting to the modules easy if you'd like to take advantage of that feature. You'll find a set of brackets you can use to mount the modules up off the ground and out of the way, and two fiber optic SFPs that plug into the back of the modules, and those are labeled transmitter and receiver, so make sure you plug them into the correct module. And finally, a full instruction manual is included that lists connection diagrams, specifications, and a whole lot of other really good information about the product that you'll need to understand in order to use it correctly, so always read through that manual. Now, if you stay tuned next, I'll take a closer look at both modules, and then I'll come back and point out some of those special features. The kit includes both a transmitter module and a receiver module, and both of these feature full metal enclosures which make them incredibly durable and a great choice for both residential or commercial installations. Let's start with the transmitter module first. On the top of the cabinet, as well as along both sides, and even the bottom, you'll find these ventilation slots that are really designed to let any heat that develops during operation escape and keep the electronics inside at a very comfortable temperature. You'll also find mounting holes on either side of the cabinet that can be used with the bracketing kit that's included to mount the modules up off the ground and out of the way. On the front of the unit, starting on the left, is a power indicator. When you add power to the module, it starts an internal power on self-test where it checks the electronics, and once it passes that test, it'll light the power LED, letting you know it's ready to use. To the right of that is a link indicator. Once you power up both modules and make the fiber optic connection between them, that connection is checked, and once it's been verified, the link indicator will come on, letting you know you have a solid connection between the two modules. And to the right of that is a video indicator. Once you power up both modules and make the fiber optic connection and start transferring media content, the video indicator will blink, letting you know that media content is moving across that network. This product provides for extension of the local LAN connection, and if you'd like to take advantage of that feature, you can connect your LAN to this port right here, and then connect a peripheral or a computer at the remote location to access your local network. To the right of that is an RS-232 connection block. This product provides RS-232 extensions as well, and if you'd like to take advantage of that feature, you can use the Molex connections included with the kit to connect to this to transfer those RS-232 signals to and from your remote location. This product also provides audio injection capabilities and audio extraction capabilities, and that's what these two 3.5mm ports are for. If you'd like to add audio content to the media you're sharing with the remote location, you can connect that audio source to the input port. And this product provides audio extraction capabilities where it can separate the audio component from any HDMI media stream and allows you to pass that along through this port to a home stereo amplifier or maybe a soundbar. On the rear of the unit, starting on the left, is a power port, and that's used with the included power supply. You'll simply plug that power supply into a wall outlet. The other end of the cable has a barrel connection on it with a locking collar. It plugs in right there, and you can finger tighten the collar to make sure it doesn't pop out. To the right of that is a reset button. You can use a paper clip and gently push that button once power has been applied to reset the module if needed. To the right of that is a full-sized HDMI port labeled input. This connects to whatever media device you'd like to share the content from with your remote location. This product also provides local loopback functionality, which allows you to continue to enjoy the content here at the primary location while you're simultaneously sharing it with your remote location. And if you'd like to take advantage of that feature, you can connect the monitor at this location to this HDMI port right there. Then finally, to the right of that is the fiber optic port that you can connect up your SFP and then connect a cable to this all the way to your remote location 10 kilometers away. The receiver module is very similar. Again, ventilation on the top, both sides, and even the bottom. On the front of the unit, power indicator, link indicator, video indicator, another LAN port. Now at the remote location, you can use this to connect the computer to the network at the primary location. RS-232 connection block, again, audio input and output connections. On the rear of the unit, power port, you can use the second power supply, simply plug that into an outlet at the remote location, plug the barrel connection in there and finger tighten the collar. Another reset button to reset this module if needed. To the right of that is a full-sized HDMI port labeled output. This connects to a monitor at that remote location that you'd like to use to enjoy the content. And finally, another fiber optic connection there. That's where the other end of that fiber cable from the transmitter plugs in. That's pretty much it for the kit. I hope that closer look was helpful. Now here are a few really important things to keep in mind when you're comparing the Orei UHD-FO10 LAR-K fiber optic HDMI extension kit with other products you may be considering. And the first thing has to do with the extension distance. This product provides a full 10 kilometers of distance between your primary and secondary locations. And the reason that's important is because a lot of other HDMI extension kits on the market may limit that to a few hundred feet. So knowing you can extend your media content up to 10 kilometers away provides a lot more flexibility on where you locate that secondary site. Another important difference is the fact that the transmitter provides local loopback functionality, which allows you to continue to enjoy the content here while you're simultaneously sharing it with your remote location. The product fully supports 4K ultra high definition media content at up to 60 frames per second, and it's both HDMI 2.0B as well as HDCP 2.2 compliant, which means it's plug and play compatible with all of your modern media equipment. The LAN extension feature is another nice thing where you can connect the transmitter up to your local area network and extend that connection 10 kilometers away to the remote location so you can connect the computer at that remote location to share that local area network. And finally, the product also provides audio injection and audio extraction capabilities, so you can either add audio content to the media you're sending to the remote location or extract the audio from that media stream and pass that along to a soundbar, home stereo, or an amplifier system for that full theater experience. Everything you need to get started is included with the kit, and with a few simple connections, you can be up and running in no time. So I hope you found this review helpful, and until next time, thanks again for watching and stay nerdy.